Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to calculate percentages of total in Excel. First, open your Excel spreadsheet where you have your data. Let's say you have a list of sales figures in column A and you want to calculate what percentage each figure is of the total sales. First type the equal sign in the cell and then select the cell right next to it by holding Control. Now type the divide sign and next type this formula in your cell. The following is the location of the total. As you can see, our total cell is highlighted in red. Now don't forget to change it to percentage from the top menu. Now drag click from the bottom right of the first cell to all the way down to apply this formula to all of the cells. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated the percentages of the total for your data in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tricks for more tutorials. See you in the next video.